update. I know I've been gone for about a year now. I haven't added any content. Just been focused on school, trying to get my degree in software engineering, doing some freelance work here and there while juggling my real job. My real job. So I'm going to start adding content to the channel. I know before in my videos I didn't use a mic, so and the videos that I will be posting for now on, they will have mic where I explain the code, and also you'll be able to find my source code on GitHub, which I'll add a link also for that. Um, so I plan on making videos with Unity. Uh, when I do make videos with Unity, it's going to be mostly machine learning, uh, kind of like what I've learned so far. And I'll put what you see on the screen is, so I use the, let's see, I use their push block example, which, let me save this real quick. So in their machine learning examples, they got a bunch of them, but their push block is, so all it does, I'll show you real quick. Get the brain. So all it does is the AI will push the block into the goal, and then the area lights up green when he makes the goal, and it'll light up red if he doesn't make the goal. And when he makes the goal, he gets a reward of 5 points. And then if the amount of time goes past more than the steps that he has, he'll get -1 point. So going back to mine now. So it's pretty much the same concept, just all he does is he collects a coin, he doesn't have to push it anywhere. And this model right here is trained with over 500,000 steps. And I'm still trying to figure out uh, most of the code for how his raycasting works. And what I want to eventually do is make a maze to where he has to go to it. He has to find where the coin is in the maze. So that's what I'm going to be doing with machine learning. Um, I've also been working with Unreal Engine, but I haven't worked with Unreal Engine in a couple weeks. I was making a few projects there, and then I saw a video about machine learning, and it really caught my eye because I've made a few, especially with that deskmate that I was working on. Something like this uh, would come in handy for it, and that's one thing that I've always been interested in is AI. But anyway, so I might make some videos on Unreal Engine. I really don't know. I do have a C++ class coming up soon, so when I do start that class, I might just dabble around with Unreal Engine just for that, uh, learning more about C++. So also I want to probably make some videos with Arduino. I know that, and also Raspberry Pi. I know that I said I was going to do the do-it-yourself drone. I still plan on doing that. My other projects really haven't had any interest in doing anymore. Um, who knows? Like a lot of projects, I'll get halfway done and I'll just put them in a bin until a few years down the road, and then I'll pick them back up. So with Arduino, I'll have a couple videos here and there about that. That's about it for the channel. The content's not going to be every week. Probably maybe once every 2 weeks. I'm not very good at video editing, so it's just going to be raw footage. All right. Just want to let y'all know where I was at. Let y'all know I'm still alive, and I'm almost done with school. So once I finish school, I plan on moving out to. Me and my girlfriend plan on moving out to California or somewhere where they pay a lot more. Uh, Here in North Carolina, they don't pay that much for software engineers like they do out west or up north. All right. You guys have a good day.